Welcome to Mr. V Teaching Math. In this session, we're going to be doing long division drills. This is part of our Spirit of Math program that we do in our classroom. This is an example. This is the way the sample questions are going to be written. For those of you in my classroom, this is question 1 of practice 0. Drill number 0, the practice ones. This is the way it's first displayed to you when you look at it. However, you always have to remember that this symbol goes backwards. Now, I've written down the question. The next thing I have to do is I need to move this decimal over because it does not do me a lot of good when it's sitting there. So I'm going to move it over here. If this one moves, I also need to move it over here. And then my decimal ends up here, put it up here at the top. Some of you may find it helpful to actually simply rewrite the question like this, so that you don't have all sorts of distracting arrows and things in the way. If necessary, do this to make the question easier for you. So to begin, does 92 go into 5? Nope, it doesn't. Does 92 go into 50? Nope, it doesn't. Make sure your decimal is on the top. I should have done that earlier. Does 92 go into 504? Yes. I have no idea how many times. But if I round this to 90, well, and that to 500, how close to 500 can I get with 90? Let's see here. 9 times 6 would be 54. That's going to be too high. It's going to be 5. So, 92 times 5. 45. All right, so it's going to be 5. Here we go. Subtract. 0 from 4, nothing. 6 from 5 doesn't work. I need to borrow. 6 from 10. 44 is all I have left. 44 is not greater than 92, so I'm doing all right. Okay, let's bring down my next number. 440. Well, I know that 460 from my 5 is going to be too high, so I'm going to go for 4. Eight from 0, I can't do that. I'm going to have to borrow. 2. 6 from 3, I can't do that. I'm going to have to borrow. 6 from 13 gives me 7. Again, 72 is not greater than 92, so I know I did okay. Next, I did that already. Next digit, bring down the 7. 727. Well, that's certainly more than 5, because 5 was only 460. What might it be? 6? 7? 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 8 is 72. Could be 8. I'm going to check. 92 times 8. 16. Carry the 1. 72, 736. Oh, that's too high. So it's definitely not 8. Almost guaranteed to be 7. 14. Carry 1. 63, 644. Okay, now I subtract. 7 minus 4 gives me 3. 4 from 2 doesn't work. Got to borrow. 4 from 12. 83. 83 is not higher than 92, so I did that okay. Now earlier in our class we learned that we would continue to do this question, which we could. We could put zeros on here and continue this question. However, for these math drills, we're not. We're stopping at this point, except that now we need to do the X check.